channel. So today I wanted to show you guys a new wig that I got from Divatress. Thank you so much for sending me this wig. What I'm wearing is the Model 7-star V-shaped lace front wig. What is the name of it? It has a code for the name. It's the EV-003, and I will put everything, like the color and everything, down in the description box. So I'll be honest with you. So when I initially saw the wig, I was like, oh, that's fun, because I like the, you know, the like red, purple kind of whatever, and I thought it'd be like kind of cute for Valentine's Day. And then when I received it, I was like, oh, okay, like, you know, I just pulled it out the package and I didn't look at any reviews. Sometimes when you end up looking at too many reviews, it kind of sways your judgment already. I don't do like different kinds of color and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, so I pulled it out. I did my makeup really, you know, just very simple today. When I put on the wig, I was like, oh, okay, this is really cute. Like, I was very shocked, and it feels good. And okay, let me get into the details before I start getting too excited. I want to say this wig is like 30 inches. I'll put the, you know, the specs down below, but I am like 5'2", and it hits me at my waist. Like, it's pretty long. It only has one part right here in the middle, so depending on how you wear your hair, you will have to adjust the cap to the left, to the right, or in the middle. And the colors in this wig, they're kind of, I don't know if it's reflecting on camera, but they're like it's like a burgundy with strands of purple, like the color of my sweater, pinks, red. It's kind of like those kind of mix of colors, just like in the back though. And at the top, it's gonna be 1B. So you kind of have this natural with a bam, like pop of color, just in case you want it. So the hair texture is, I like it. I like it a lot. It reminds me of my Yara wig from Bobbi Boss. So it feels like that relaxed, it just feels like relaxed hair. It feels really, really good. Even though it's long, it feels really, really lightweight. And the cap size is very comfortable. I have a bigger size head. I don't want to sit there and say I have a big head, because I'm not about to diss myself like that right now. Larger size head, and this fits me so good. It's so comfortable. And I knew right when I put it on that I was going to be comfortable with it. It does have an adjustable strap, and it does come with 2 combs in the front and then 1 in the back. But as you guys know, I am no longer wearing wig combs at all because they have broken off my hair. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I will link it somewhere up in here or somewhere down below. So this wig also comes in your basic, you know, your standard colors: black, brown, 1Bs, 1, 2, 4, that kind of thing, if you don't want to do a pop of color. And I would actually highly recommend getting this wig. I'm like very tempted to get this wig in just a black, just to have, because I'm telling you guys, for the summer, this is probably going to be super, not even just cute, it's going to be like a go-to. And I don't know if I'm going to be I don't know. I won't be wearing these colors in the summer. I already know. This is just, it's not my style. I think it's really cute for Valentine's Day. If you're doing like a simple outfit, or just because it's just a holiday. You don't even have to do a simple outfit. But I know that, you know, my regular life, I'm just a plain kind of black, dark brown kind of girl. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back, and hopefully you can see how long it is. Also with this wig, if you have been subscribed to my channel for a while now, then you should know I always put my flat iron to at least the front of my head to kind of knock out the curls, because it's been in a box for who knows how long. And I did not do that with this wig. I really just popped it on, laid some edges real quick in the front, and that was it, you guys. So I highly recommend this wig. Go purchase it now from Divatress. I think that it's gonna be even though it looks so basic, you know, it's so simple, I think wigs like that are multi-purpose are like, they're worth the money. You know, like I said, I only got this color just because of Valentine's Day, but I think even after Valentine's Day I may keep it, or I just may cut it you know, like maybe something like that. Like if you guys see that, I may just cut it to kind of knock out that color a little bit and just have something a little bit shorter, because that's cute as well. That's it, you guys. I hope, I don't know, when I like something, I don't really have too much to say, because I hope it's showing in the video that it's just, it's a good wig. I really do like it. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, don't forget to leave them down below in the description box, like always. Also, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ji.marii at jmarie. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.